Hello, welcome back to ION Max. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. Solve 2 by over x plus 3 over x plus 1 plus 4 over x plus 2 plus 5 over x plus y plus 6 over x plus 4 is equal to 5. So this is a fifth degree equation. You have to get 5 solutions. So here, as you are going to solve this challenging problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem. So here we are having logic. First step only we are having logical step. So first of all, 2 over x minus 1 plus 3 over x plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 over x minus 2 minus 1 5 over x plus 3 minus 1 plus 6 over x plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here this is the logical step we are using. So here what we'll get here, 2 minus x by x plus 2 minus x by x plus 1 plus 2 minus x by x minus 2 plus 2 minus x by x plus 3 plus 2 minus x by x plus 4 equal to 0. So here you are sending this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll get 0 this side. Now here in all this 2 minus x is common. So here what will get, 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 2, x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 4 equal to 0. Now here 2 minus x equal to 0, that implies x equal to 2 is one solution. So the other solutions you have to find here. Now here what will get here, 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let us take x plus 2 is equal to t. That implies x is equal to t minus 2. So if you substitute the value here, 1 by t minus 2, 1 by t minus 1, 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 1 plus 1 by t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now multiply the first one and last one. So here what will get, 2t, taking LCM, t square minus 4. If you multiply, add these two, you will get 2t by t square minus 1 plus 1 by t is equal to 0. So here if you take LCM here, 2t square into t square minus 1 plus 2t square into t square minus 4 plus t square minus 4 into t square minus 1 over t into t square minus 4 into t square minus 1 equal to 0. Now open the bracket. So 2t to the power of 4 minus 2t square plus 2t to the power of 4 minus 8t square plus t to the power of 4 minus 5t square plus 4 over t into t square minus 4 into t square minus 1 equal to 0. Now here t cannot be equal to 0, t cannot be equal to plus or minus 2, t cannot be equal to plus or minus 1 now. So here you have to make the numerator equal to 0. So what will get numerator here? 5t to the power of 4 minus 15t square plus 4 equal to 0. So let us take t square equal to z greater than 0. So what will get here? 5z square minus 15z plus 4 equal to 0. Now z is equal to 15 plus or minus root of 225 minus 80 by 10 now. So here z is equal to 15 plus or minus root of 145 by 10. So here we'll get two values are, so here I am writing only plus 15 minus root of 145 by 10. So these are the values of z. Now if we take t, so t value is t square. So here we'll get t square is equal to this value 15 plus or minus root 145 by 10. Now if you take t value plus or minus square root of 15 plus or minus root 145 by 10 now. Now here t value is this one, but I want x value. X value is equal to, x value is t minus 2. So here minus 2 plus or minus square root of 15 plus or minus root 145 by 10 now. So here the solution what we are getting 2 minus 2 plus or minus root of 15 plus or minus root 145 by 10 now. Total here 4 values and here 1 value, total 5 values. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching and CG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching and CG Max Olympiad.